little stop at Gooseberry Falls. Honey. There she is.
Hi.
On our way up to Split Rock Lighthouse with a little stop at Gooseberry Falls. There's quite a few state parks along this route. We're gonna stop at a few of them.
And all are great. So if you get a chance, stop at all of them.
Yeah, they are. They're all pretty good. Everything north of Duluth. Everyone thinks Duluth is northern Minnesota. No, there's a lot more north of Duluth.
Yep. Split Rock Lighthouse from a pull-off. If you get a chance, it's right before Split Rock Lighthouse, and walk down the bike trail a little bit. You get a great view from the distance. Hi!
Hello.
We're on our way to go camping. I'm so excited. The North Shore, my favorite place in Minnesota.
And where are we camping?
We're at Split Rock Lighthouse State Park. We're doing a cart-in campsite, and we will be right on Lake Superior. You got to reserve it 1 year ahead of time.
That's where we'll be. Well, not at the lighthouse, but the campground over there.
That bird there. That duck there with that little, remember we saw that, I think last time, with that little tuft on its head?
Yeah, there he is. Grand Marais. Lake Superior. Ah! Alright, let's go for a walk down whatever the hell this is. I hope I don't fall in.
You make me nervous.
Yeah, I make myself nervous. We try to come up here a couple times a year. I was kind of hoping the waves were a lot bigger. But one time we were up here and I got soaked by a wave while taking a video. Let's go for a little stroll. Yeah, Amy worries about me. No, I'm fine. And we're gonna walk out to that lighthouse. Right out there. Yep, where are we? Who knows? We're on a side road, or we took a side road on the Gunflint Trail, trying to find some wildlife, and this is where it brought us. So we're just gonna walk down the trail for a little bit and see if we see anything. Hello.
Don't want to trip and fall.
Well, this is our second day here. We got really lucky with the weather. You might not be able to hear me over the waves, but we got lucky with the weather. It was supposed to rain. Never has yet. A little chilly, especially down here by the lake, but the waves are kicking today. Good old Lake Superior. There's the lovely Amy taking my picture. Hi. Yeah, this is where we're gonna be for a couple days. Lake Superior. Nice little campsite. And we plan on visiting a couple other state parks up this way. There's a lot to see up here. A lot of people think Duluth is northern Minnesota, but no, you're just touching the tip of the iceberg, as they'd say. There are a lot of state parks, a lot of nice state parks, a lot of stuff to see, a lot to enjoy. Well, let's see if I can't fall down and break my neck. Hey, she made it back.
Yep, let's switch now. You gotta walk down there, but be careful.
All right.
Some of the rocks are loose, so.
Well, I guess I'm going on another little trip. Hopefully I don't break my neck. I'll bring you guys with me. Yeah, I'm not exactly the most graceful person, so I do gotta be careful. So I'm told anyway. Oh, there she is. There she is. Oh, foot just got wet.
Dennis is walking down from the bottom of our, here's our great campsite, Split Rock Lighthouse State Park, Cardin, number 11. Awesome site. Standing on the hill now, looking over Lake Superior. Dennis is walking along the beach there. North Shore, Minnesota, the most beautiful place.
I'm standing on what is called Palisade Head, I believe. It's a big old outcropping of rock. If you're familiar with the movie The Good Son with Macaulay Culkin and Elijah Wood, this is that rock that Macaulay Culkin's mom dropped him from. So yeah, this rock here was in the movies. Woohoo! It's actually a pretty good movie. Yeah, it's been a good day. We plan on visiting a couple other parks tomorrow. It's supposed to rain, but as long as it's not raining too bad, it shouldn't affect anything. But we're gonna sit here for a couple minutes, then head on back to the campsite. It's 9:15. So go back, take it easy, and get ready for another day tomorrow. I think that's the scene that was in the movie what he fell off from, but I'm not sure. I have to rewatch the movie to find out.
Oh yeah, definitely see it better.
Yeah, it'd be quite the fall.
Oh god.
What was it, last year some lady fell off of here?
Like 2 years ago, like a teenage, like 12-year-old girl or whatever. She was up here with another family, her friend, and she fell.
12-year-old girl.
She's 12. They had to have rock climbers come out and get her. Hi, I'm Amy, and Dennis is coming over. Welcome to Split Rock Lighthouse State Park in Minnesota. We're in the Cardin Campsite 11, and we are right on the shores of Lake Superior.
Yeah, I don't know, you might be able to hear the waves. I know I took one video that I'll be posting where you can hear the waves pretty good.
Yep, and we've been spending our weekend here up at the North Shore of Minnesota, which has been beautiful and wonderful, and we just love it here.
There's really a lot to see. A lot of state parks, a lot of real nice state parks, and we got really fortunate with the weather. Looks like it's gonna rain tonight, but it was supposed to rain last night and it didn't. And I think Friday night was supposed to rain and it didn't, so we've been fortunate.
Yeah, and we discovered some new little towns and sites, so we were trying to expand our horizons a little bit here. So,
and apologize if you get some smoke in the view. We're by the campfire, got a fire going, just enjoying the evening.
one thing I recommend, we went to the town of Finland, which is just off of Highway 61 a few miles, and we went to their historic site. So if you've never been there, if you've never branched off a little bit while you're up here, I would recommend going there and visiting the historic site.
Yeah. It's been a fun weekend, relaxing, nice to get away.
And every time we come up here, we always make it to Grand Marais because that's our favorite spot ever, and it's great to be on the Lake Superior and see the little town.
One of our favorite spots. We have quite a few of them up this way. And I don't know, I think you guys should really subscribe to this channel. You'll enjoy it. We're entertaining.
It's called Our Life, And we hope to do more videos. We're going camping again in 2 weeks. We're going to Itasca State Park, the beginning of the Mississippi River. There's also a few state parks around there, and we're doing the Minnesota hiking trail of all the state parks. So once you get all your hikes in, you get a free state park nights stays. So
yeah, that's what we're actually paying for this campsite for. We had two free, we each had a free night of camping. So this is a free weekend camping. We got it with they got a state park passport book and a hiking club book. And when you hike so many miles, you get a free certificate. And when you stay in so many parks, you get a free certificate. I don't know, it's worth it. Plus you get to see the parks, and if you enjoy nature like we do, it's really a good time.
And every park is different and has so many, some have waterfalls, some have lakes. They're just all different. And the passport stamp, we probably wouldn't have even visited some of the state parks in Minnesota or been even in that area. But just to get our passport stamp, we visited. And just driving through some of the back roads in Minnesota, some of the small towns that we've never seen or even heard of, we've seen a lot of cool things. So.
And we also got a national parks passport book now. So when we get our stamp, we're going to be doing a lot more traveling to the national parks. We've been to a couple of them. We've been to Joshua Tree. We've been to one of them out in California. I don't know which one. It's not the main Redwood State Park or whatever, national park, but
we just went to one in Louisiana, didn't we?
yeah, we went to something down there. I don't remember what it was. But yeah, we were in New Orleans last month. It was about a 24-hour drive down there. It was fun. I slept a lot of the time, which I don't know. I fall asleep easy in the car. Whatever.
It's not a total 24-hour drive, but we stopped and we did want to sleep in the Walmart parking lot for a while, but then the tornado sirens went off, so we had to get up and go.
Yeah. Yep, that was in St. Louis. Just another one of our adventures. So I don't know. Yeah, I guess we're gonna end it here. Again, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.
Yep, and we're gonna be putting out a lot more videos of our travels, and hopefully you'll enjoy them.
Yeah. All right. See ya.